What's up guys, it's Kyle with another video, and I got a 2 Supreme unboxing from week 14. Let's get into it. So the first thing I picked up was the Champion in red sticker pack from the week before or whatever. Ooh, comes in a nice bag. I'm keeping this in the bag because I'm possibly reselling this, but it's that. Size medium. Nothing fancy. Boom. And this is for the personal. I'll take this out for y'all. This is the Crewneck in gray. Size medium as well. So yeah, you got the Supreme Champion chrome logo. Pretty nice, good quality actually. Tag. And yeah, that's about it. And we'll see what stickers we got in that one. Probably the same sticker pack. Something like that. But yeah. That's about it. Stay tuned for JB3's video for the Yeezy non-reflectives and reflectives.
Caught up in the streets, I'm just trying to eat, waiting on the beef. We don't play hide and seek.